Let's see what is typematic repeat in keyboard. When you press and hold down a key, that key becomes typematic, which means the keyboard will keep sending the same make code or scan code until the key is released or another key is pressed. For example, I am pressing A, so this is the typematic. I am not releasing the key, I am keep pressing the key. So this is the typematic. There are two important parameters related to typematic repeat. First is the typematic delay. It is also called keyboard repeat delay. And the second is the typematic rate or the repeat rate. So these two parameters decide how fast the key would be repeated. So let's see both the parameter one by one. Let's see the typematic delay. Normally the value is in the millisecond. Typematic delay will decide for how long a key must be held down before it begins automatically repeating. So what I mean is, suppose your typematic delay is 1 second. What this means is you will have to keep pressing the key at least for 1 second. If you release the key before 1 second, the system or computer will not consider this key as a repeating key and it will not repeat like this. If you release the key before 1 second. Right now the typematic delay in millisecond, which is default. That's why it is just for millisecond you need to keep pressing your key and it will consider as the repeating key. This typematic delay we can change. I'm using the Windows operating system. So let's see how we can change the typematic delay in the Windows operating system. You need to open the keyboard properties and just type the keyboard and click on the keyboard setting in the start menu. This window is appear. So you can see the first repeat delay. So this is the typematic delay actually. So right now it has been set close to short. Let's press A. You will see just only for millisecond I need to keep pressing the key and it is considering the repeating key. Now let's see what will happen if I make this long. So I am keep pressing the key and you can see it is waiting for second to get repeated. Pressing key now, you can see it is waiting for some time before it is getting repeated. And this we are able to catch because we have set the repeat delay long. So it is in second, at least for 1 second. Now what is the repeat rate or typematic rate? So typematic rate is how many characters system will repeat per second. This typematic rate is calculated after the repeat delay is expired. So let's see what it is. So right now the repeat delay is long. So let's keep pressing this. After this key is pressed, system waited for this repeat delay, then start repeating from here. How many characters will be repeated, that is decided by the repeat rate. Right now it is fast. This is the default setting. Now let's make it slow. Means number of characters will be repeated per second will be few. I am pressing J. Just keep focusing the cursor. You can see I am keep pressing the J and it is getting repeat with some significant delay, which we are able to catch very easily. Now let's move this to the medium and we can see, you can see repeat day is considered after your repeat delay is expired. If we make this fast, then you will not able to, you can see this a significant delay after pressing the key first time because that is the repeat delay. After that repeat delay only the key is repeated. Once key starts repeating, it is the repeat rate. This is how both both properties repeat delay and repeat rate works. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.